Hello everyone, Akash here, and today I'm going to share Creme Brulee dessert recipe with you all. So this recipe is very special because Valentine's Day week is coming and you can surprise your loved one with this recipe. Creme Brulee is a classic French dessert and I'm going to give a little twist by adding orange and cinnamon flavored tea with our Creme Brulee. Okay guys, so we just need to follow 3 simple steps to make our Creme Brulee. So the first one is we're gonna make a cream and milk mixture, and the second one we're gonna make an egg yolk and sugar mixture, and the third one we're gonna give a little twist by making lychee, spiced lychee to complement our dish. We'll start our first process by pouring 250 ml of thickened cream, 100 ml of full cream milk, half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Once our mixture starts simmering, we're gonna add the tea bag on the side. Just for a reminder, the tea flavor I'm using orange and cinnamon. Make sure you continuously stir your mixture. We just have to simmer our mixture for 7 to 8 minutes, and now it's done. We'll turn the range off. So our mixture is ready here. We'll take this mixture in a jar and we'll keep it for 15 to 20 minutes to cool down. Okay, now we'll start working on our second step. So we're gonna take 6 eggs and we're gonna take the yolks out. So we won't use the egg white, we just need the egg yolk. We have got 6 egg yolk, and now I'm going to add 70 grams of sugar. And now I'm going to whisk our mixture. I'm going to add some drop of vanilla essence here as well. Okay guys, so now our milk and cream mixture is ready and our egg yolk and sugar mixture is ready as well. So now we're gonna put it in a bowl and give a quick mix. And it's very important, the temperature, because if it's gonna be warm or hot, it's gonna cook our egg yolk. So we don't need that. So that's why we have to keep it in a freeze for 10 to 15 minutes. And then we're gonna give a quick blend here. So our milk and cream mix, our egg yolk and sugar mix. We'll cook our creme brulee in hot water bath. So we have got 4 bowls and now I'm gonna add the hot water here. Now one by one we're gonna pour our custard. We'll try to fill this up. Oh, it's dripping. So guys, all done now. Now we're gonna bake our custard for 15 to 20 minutes at 140 degrees centigrade in a preheated oven. So I'm gonna do that now. Okay guys, so our nice and gorgeous creme brulee is ready and it looks amazing. Look at the nice color and the texture, it's perfectly cooked. Now I'm going to take this out in a plate and I'm going to keep in the fridge for around 15 to 20 minutes and then we're going to use it. Now we'll start making our spiced lychee. For that we're going to make a sugar syrup. So I'm going to add 100 ml of water, 100 grams of sugar. Now we'll add some peppercorns, fresh lime skin julienne and some lime juice. We'll give a quick mix and we'll simmer this liquid for around 3 to 4 minutes. So now our mixture is ready. We'll turn the gas off and take the liquid out in a bowl. We'll add our lychee in the liquid. We'll add some coriander sprigs on the mixture and then we'll give a quick mix. So guys, finally our creme brulee is ready. So I'm gonna add some sugar crust on the top and I'm going to use my blowtorch lighter. We'll give a nice flame and try to get a caramelized color. We'll add 1 teaspoon of sugar in the middle. So look at the color. I'm getting a very nice smell of caramelization. So it's perfect. Now I'm gonna plate it real quick and it's all done. And here's my spiced lychee. So guys, our wait is over and I'm going to eat now. And I'm going to show you the crust and you can hear the sound, how it comes. With my spoon in the middle, see the sound, and I'm going to crack it. Okay. So here is a spoon of our creme brulee and now I'm going to add some spiced lychee on the top of it. It's just amazing, guys. It's gonna be best surprise for your loved one if you're gonna make this recipe at home. So guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. So please like, share, subscribe and comment for more upcoming recipes, and do cook this recipe at home and enjoy your Valentine. Thank you.